Catalog number 45 is Black Bay and born in April 2019. He's by secret out of State Premium Mare Dresden Doll by Dresemann, Florestan 1 and Elmshorn. This mother State Premium Mare Dresden Doll is not only full sister to the licensed and Grand Prix successful Dresemann of Ingrid Klimke, she is also half-sister to the licensed Abelard by Ampere, and to State Premium Mare Dynasty by Damon Hill, reserve champion mare of our Elite Show 2010 and meanwhile successful in Intermediate 1. And to the Grand Prix horse Duke Royal by Don Federico and the advanced level successful Sancerre by Sir Donnerhall.